Does the interaction between vitamin C and iron mean that you're getting less vitamin C from your broccoli when you consume it with steak? This is some fascinating biochemistry, and I will do my best to explain it simply, but get ready to nerd out. Also, the quick answer to your question is no, thanks to the form of iron found in meat. But this is the case for plant-based iron. Okay, some biochemistry vocab that's relevant here. You probably know that vitamin C is an antioxidant. What does that actually mean, and how does that relate to iron absorption? An oxidant is a molecule that desperately needs electrons. It wants them so bad it's gonna steal them. And it might steal them from DNA or proteins, and that can damage cells. An antioxidant is walking around with some extra electrons. Goes, yo dude, chill out, have some of my electrons. I got plenty, it's cool. So by giving its electrons to an oxidant, an antioxidant neutralizes that oxidant. So it can't steal electrons from something really important like DNA. Now, vitamin C is an antioxidant. It's got electrons to give. And iron is an oxidant. It wants your electrons. But actually, that's why iron is so helpful for transporting oxygen throughout the body. And why iron is the central atom in hemoglobin. So there's two main forms of iron found in food: ferric iron and ferrous iron. Ferrous iron wants some electrons, but it's not as hungry for them as ferric iron. It only wants 2 electrons. And ferrous iron is the form of iron that is easily absorbed in the small intestine thanks to the activity of the divalent metal transporter 1. Ferrous iron is the main form of iron found in animal foods, meat and seafood. Now, ferric iron is much hungrier for electrons. It wants 3 electrons. Greedy. And the divalent metal transporter 1 doesn't know what to do with ferric iron. So what has to happen before that iron can be absorbed in the small intestine is it has to get an electron from somewhere. One of the easiest places to get an electron is vitamin C, because it's just walking around going, chill dude, I got extra electrons, you can have one, it's all good. So vitamin C gives an electron to ferric iron, that turns it into ferrous iron, and then the divalent metal transporter 1 can bring it inside the body where it can be used for all the cool things that we use iron for in our bodies. Not just oxygen transport. For example, the entire cytochrome P450 superfamily of enzymes are iron-based. And ferric iron is the main type of iron found in plant foods. And that's why if you eat a plant-based diet, eating some vitamin C-rich foods alongside your iron-rich foods can increase iron absorption, because the vitamin C reduces the iron from ferric to ferrous, which makes it compatible with how our bodies absorb iron from food. But yes, vitamin C giving an electron to ferric iron, you can think of this as using vitamin C up. So yes, when you eat iron-rich plant foods alongside vitamin C-rich plant foods, you get less vitamin C. Let's do an example where the iron and the vitamin C is in the same food. Let's look at spinach. 1 cup of cooked spinach has about 6.5 milligrams of iron. We're going to round down to 6 to make this math easier. That's about 1/3 of the daily value. And it has about 17.5 milligrams of vitamin C, about 1/5 of the daily value. But we're gonna round up to 18, again to make this math easier. We're also going to assume a perfect system here. All of the iron is in the ferric state, and in our perfect digestive processes, all of the iron meets a vitamin C molecule so that it can be reduced to ferrous iron. It just so happens that vitamin C has about triple the molecular weight of iron. That means to reduce 1 gram of ferric iron, you need 3 grams of vitamin C, roughly. What that means is that with the rounding to make our math easier, and with our perfect digestion assumptions, all of the vitamin C in the spinach would get used up to make that iron absorbable. And you would actually get no vitamin C at the end of the day from that 1 cup of spinach. Nutrient interactions are fascinating, but what does this actually mean for food choice? Whether you are plant-based or not, if you eat a lot of iron-rich plant foods, you need more vitamin C. Fortunately for us, vitamin C is really easy to get from fruits and vegetables. And if you'd like to know all the best food sources of vitamin C, you can look that up for free on my website. Go to Nutrivore.com, tap on nutrients, tap on vitamin C. While you're there, your mind will be blown by all of the different ways that vitamin C affects our health. Not actually all from its sharing of electrons either. And all the best food sources are listed at the bottom of that article. And you'd probably also really like my top 25 foods for every nutrient ebook.